Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. And if you're a regular viewer of my channel, thanks for coming back. If you're a subscriber of mine, you're probably saying to yourself, hey Dave, it's been a really long time since you've done a build or project video. And you would be right. But that's why I wanted to take this time today to do a short video to tell you about my next project. I have been wanting to make a teardrop camper for a really long time. In fact, I didn't even realize how long it had been until I went to look up the old CAD files that I'd drawn up years ago and saw that the files were dated August 2015. Due to a recent life event, I decided that if I'm going to build this thing, I'd better get busy building it or I'm never going to get it done. I recently ordered a trailer from Northern Tool after weeks of going back and forth trying to decide if I wanted to get a 4x8 trailer or a 5x8 trailer. After taking a long haul look at Jack, who's going to be my traveling companion, I decided I'd better go with a 5x8 so it wouldn't get too crowded in there. I ordered the trailer on December 3rd, and while I was waiting for it to come in, I started watching a bunch more YouTube videos, and now I'm a little undecided on whether I want to build a traditional teardrop style or maybe go with the off-road square drop style. So let me know down below in the comments which style you would build and why. And also let me know what kind of features you think I should incorporate into this build. Also, some of you out there are probably thinking, Dave, what about the CNC stuff? Well, I'm going to be using the CNC machines. As you know, I have 3 of them out here in this shop. I'll be using those to make some templates for this build, as well as some other little things that I've got planned. I do want to say that this build series won't be a how-to or a step-by-step guide to building a camper. I will record some things or maybe do some time-lapse video clips, but mostly it's going to be just some project update videos to let you know where I'm at, what I've got done, and why I built it the way I did. So that's going to do it for this video. If you'd like to follow along in this build, make sure you subscribe and be sure and hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and from me and Jack, a Merry Christmas to all. Let's see how we look in this one. Yeah, this is good.